Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what would happen if you stop eating sugar for 30 days. Sugar is everywhere in our food and drinks, and it can be hard to resist. But sugar is also one of the worst things for our health, and it can cause many problems, such as obesity, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and more. So what if you decide to cut out sugar from your diet for a month? How would that affect your body and your mind? Let's find out. First of all, what do I mean by sugar? I'm not talking about the natural sugars that are found in fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and grains. These sugars are part of a balanced diet and they provide energy and nutrients for our cells. I'm talking about the added sugars that are put into processed foods and drinks, such as cookies, cakes, candy, soda, juice, ice cream, and so on. These sugars are also called free sugars or refined sugars, and they have no nutritional value. They only add extra calories and cause spikes in blood sugar levels. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, the recommended daily intake of free sugars for adults is no more than 25 grams or 6 teaspoons. However, the average American consumes about 77 grams or 19 teaspoons of free sugars per day too. That's more than 3 times the limit, and that's not good for our health. So what would happen if you stop eating sugar for 30 days? Here are some of the benefits you could expect. You would lose weight. Sugar is high in calories and it makes you crave more food. When you stop eating sugar, you reduce your calorie intake and your appetite. You also burn more fat instead of storing it. Studies have shown that people who cut out sugar from their diet lose an average of 10 pounds in a month. You would lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Sugar can increase your blood pressure and cholesterol levels by causing inflammation and oxidative stress in your blood vessels. This can lead to plaque buildup and narrowing of the arteries, which can increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. When you stop eating sugar, you reduce the inflammation and oxidative stress, and you improve your blood flow and heart health. You would lower your blood sugar and insulin levels. Sugar can cause your blood sugar levels to spike and drop rapidly, which can lead to insulin resistance and diabetes. Insulin is a hormone that helps your cells use glucose for energy. When you have too much sugar in your blood, your pancreas has to produce more insulin to keep up. But over time, your cells become less responsive to insulin, and your blood sugar levels stay high. This can damage your organs and nerves, and cause complications such as kidney failure, blindness, nerve pain, and amputation. When you stop eating sugar, you stabilize your blood sugar levels and improve your insulin sensitivity. You would improve your mood and mental health. Sugar can affect your mood and mental health by altering your brain chemistry and hormones. Sugar can trigger the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that makes you feel good. But too much dopamine can also make you addicted to sugar and crave more of it. Sugar can also cause fluctuations in serotonin, another neurotransmitter that regulates your mood, sleep, appetite, and memory. Low serotonin levels can lead to depression, anxiety, insomnia, and cognitive impairment. When you stop eating sugar, you balance your brain chemistry and hormones, and you feel happier, calmer, more alert, and more focused. You would have better skin and teeth. Sugar can affect your skin and teeth by causing inflammation and bacterial growth. Sugar can cause acne by increasing sebum production and clogging your pores. Sugar can also cause wrinkles by breaking down collagen and elastin fibers in your skin. Sugar can cause tooth decay by feeding the bacteria in your mouth that produce acid that erodes your enamel. When you stop eating sugar, you reduce the inflammation and bacterial growth, and you have clearer, smoother, younger looking skin and healthier teeth.